Good afternoon, good afternoon. Hope all is well. Just reached back home. Yes. So, yeah, just a minute. I'll be back. I will be back. I'll be back. I will be back. Want to use the bathroom. uniform to put on the line. See, like a sunlight outside, so I rinse out the uniform to put on the line. Now the meantime, in between time. Hey, how are you guys doing? Hello, 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 hi. Thank you so much for waiting, guys. Me just come on, but me did have to like rinse out uniform, pick up on the line. Yeah, so I had to rinse out the uniform to go on the line. Shh. I said them I go out there anytime they see I come with up and then things they are food. No, sir. Nothing else can in a pan besides food. I must food. All the time, that's what they think it's food. All the time. They think it's food. Hi guys, I'm gonna put on the glasses for see, you know. Thank you so much. Good afternoon. Hope all is well. I can't see the chat without the glasses. So, pin out uniform as we come in, so the uniform. So I'm going inside back now. I have to go set on the pot to cook some food. Now these things. So yeah. Good afternoon. Thank you for joining my life. Thank you so much. Let me take out the white blouse here. So how was your day today? Hope all went well, guys. My day I'm just come off of the road. As the rain come, I have a lot of things to do. Dumpling today. So my dinner, buy a piece of yam to cook. Some dumpling. Hola. The girl is here. You know, even if I die on the road and I come back, I can still start the live, guys. I can still start the live. Now put them here in the sun because I'll show you guys the sky. How some part of the sky looks dark. Appear rain here, at least it not start fall yet. My daughter always said, Mommy, don't jinx it. Mommy, don't jinx it. Yes, so the sunlight here in JA, sometimes it's like this, beautiful. Sometimes it's not like this. Sometimes the rain will fall. Sometimes the rain will fall. 1 minute. Yes, so me just did a feed the dog a while ago. But the goat them, I'll just take my clothes. And I tell you, boy oh boy, them a goat, yeah. You don't know what we're gonna do with them, you know? Say they come on to food. The goat them a eat all meat. Chicken bone, chicken leg, and all these things them a eat. I thought goats were vegetarians. But I guess not. They start eat meat too. Yeah. So guys, the goat them out here, the dog them a eat, but each time the dog them fi eat the food, the goat them want to take away the food from the dog. Sometimes I come out here to put out some clothes, them think of food they come with to give them. Yeah. So then confused. Them eat off all like grass so them get, you know, so you have to go look more grass. Yeah, so you know, thank you so much guys for joining. I'll get my glasses and I'll read the comment section. I'm going to go I'm go cook. Me no want done cook night this evening again, me want done cook early. So I go inside and then read the comment section and see if I can set on my dinner. And if me say me I go show you guys the sky. Oh my god. Man, it a dark up for real. I saw it did happen Sunday now. Come like say hurricane season not done. Honestly. It a dark up already. Can you believe it? Alright, let me see if I can show you the sky. See it there? Oh my god. I saw it look Sunday now. Sunday when you look the whole of the sky stay like this. When you look Sunday, the whole of the sky stay like this. The whole sky. That time we are trying to take off back the sun off of the roof because one of the bag rotten, the straw bag, and when me look up on the roof, me I see the lump of sun. You know, so you know when the rain fall, it a go beat out the sun and everything I go just step on the rooftop. See the sky? Every day rain a fall. So we don't know if we'll get or maybe somewhere else I get rain now. Bagwalk side, the back that side there. Bagwalk. So probably Bagwalk I get rain. Yesterday, the whole of Spanish Town side back up other side there, so stay like over the side there. That a Monday. And we get rain yesterday. Yeah. We get rain yesterday. And we get rain Sunday. And we get rain early Sunday morning, like after 1 I go to 2 in the AM. Yeah. So I don't know what's going on with the weather system. But there's a trough. The weatherman said there is a system out there. So I don't know in a January system they out there. Like seriously? In a January? Yeah, so that is how the sky look. Sunday, the whole of the sky look like that part there, so. See that part there, so it's there? The whole sky. So it was like island. It was island-wide rain. Sunday. Yes. The whole sky covered like this Sunday. So eventually, hopefully, it will calm down soon. Yeah, because most people right now still not really have no good shelters yet. And we're still worried about the next hurricane. June a hurricane season. Hurricane season start June, right? So, but we are get system already, so I don't know in a January. See, that dark up, and I just put the uniform on the line. I just reach up still. I just. Hey, leave me. Just reach home. Stop it! Lick me off. So yes guys, I'm gonna read the comment section. I'm gonna read the comment section now. Oh Lord. I will cook and sit down and eat 2 dumplings. Yeah. Cook and sit down and eat 2 dumplings. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Me not drink tea for morning, you know? No. I drink one little small can water on the road and one I did have like one little something of chips in my bag. The original. And I just eat it. I had that and that was it. So let me get the glasses. Now the house dark. In here very, very dark. So girl, I go cook. So thank you for joining. Hi 67. What the 67 for? Do you mean that you came over 67 times? Okay. And then I'm gonna say max. Let me clean off the glasses. Da, 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 da. Nation, raw, world. Hello. It's stay in touch. Okay. May I go looking at the something, see if I see you guys, and then I'll come over as well. Hello, God bless you. Okay. God bless you as well. My Chinese friend, hi, how are you doing, guys? I'm so sorry I didn't get to see you guys when you come in because I had to like go and rinse out my daughter uniform for school. She want the uniform early tomorrow morning. So because I only make sure wear it like one time and then I rinse them out. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for joining. Yeah. Yep. Thank you so much for stopping in. Thank you for the 1 like. Yes. So Max Lab say hi. Thank you so much guys. Let me see if we can go and finish doing what I'm doing. I'll be back. It's like we put too much things in the bag. But you know. things that in the bag I would never need. So eventually I'm still have to go back up there and get the cars. One something, I never know something that I go there to the screen, but one something you need to do to get done. So I still have to go back up there. Good day, guys. How are you doing? Hope all is well. Thank you for joining. How was your day today? Thank you for joining. How are you doing? Hope all is well. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Yes, so I get a Christmas cake. My mother carry a Christmas cake coming with me, guys. Yes, so we have Christmas cake. We never make no Christmas cake. We never do. Yes, thank you so much for joining my life. I'm telling you, I am so full of work. You know, I get to another yam this evening because a long time I don't eat piece of yam. I haven't eaten piece of yam in a while. Last time I eat piece of yam was it was a piece of yellow yam, maybe in the early part of December. And I haven't eaten yam in a while. Yes, I am back. Yes, I saw in the machine. Then go and spin out and go cook. Right about now. All over the world. Yes, guys. Let me show you the cake. My mother-in-law can't bake, you know, she always bake Christmas cake at ear time. Hold it properly, like it a mash up. Yeah, so I love them cake here. Gone to bed. I love these cakes. I'll tell you. Yeah. Them cake here. A and I love. See there? Christmas cake. I love other cake too. I'm a cake person. Yeah? This is a Christmas cake. I never do none Christmas. So my mother-in-law, she came here today and she brought a cake. Yeah? So yeah, I'm gonna eat this. Yes. So thanks to my mother-in-law for the cake. Yeah? So I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna give her it. This girl is gonna give her it. I'm gonna cook some dumpling and thing. I'm gonna cook today. Won't they good? I'm just a lie down on a ball. Why, so girl, I have to go set on a pot. Wait. So one of the pots I got have rice because sometimes you even don't want more. Well, look at that, I don't really eat dumpling like that. But she probably got one rice. So I still have to cook some rice. So I'm going to set on. I'm going to set on the pot for the dumpling and something. And then I'm going to set on the pot for the rice. Good afternoon, guys. How are you doing? Hope all is well. Alright, so that pot here, this pot, of the dumpling and something. I'm going to show you guys the yam from a buy. Guys, this yam. I'm gonna enjoy this yam. I'm telling you. Yam is very expensive right now. Yeah, so this one, I think it's, you know, when it cook, it's soft. But when it get cold, it kind of hard. I don't know what it's called. I don't remember the name of the yam. Is it Barbie? Afu? One of them something there. But this is not yellow yam. This is not yellow yam. Yeah. As I said, when it cook, it's soft. When it hot, per se. When it hot, it's soft. Ever you say Barbie bone up your mouth when it hot? Yeah, them type of yam there. But you have the purple looking one to this. Yeah. I love see the purple one. It's pretty. Yeah. So $300 pound. And the guy said this weigh 3 pound and little. Yes. So I had to give him $1,050 for the yam. Cause this a 3 pound and little bit. So girl, I go get down in the yam this evening. Yam and dumpling. Guys, me grew up in the country. If me I eat food like dumpling, me have to eat yam and banana and them something. If me I eat just the dumpling alone, come like me not eat. Cause that's how me used to it. Me used to it for eat yam, banana. Sometimes I look at see breadfruit in the pot. Them not cook. In our country, them not cook. Them not cook just once breadfruit season, them I go have breadfruit in the pot. Yeah. So, yeah. Yeah, have yam, dasheen, and them something there in it. Green banana. Sometimes them put even the ripe plantain in the pot. You know, so the ripe plantain nice when it boil in the pot. My phone battery dying, but you know, me I go and talk. Me I go and talk. Yeah. Sorry about that, guys. I had to like put my daughter's stuff on the line because yesterday when I came home, I didn't get to rinse out the uniform she wore yesterday. And then today now, I prepare myself. I said today I go rinse out the 2 uniforms, put them on the line. So I just do that and some other little things, and yeah. You know, as a woman, you have to just do what you have to do, and that's it. Yeah, so persons who came in the comment section while I was in the washroom area, the phone sometimes doesn't pick up in the washroom. So I can't carry it around there. So I have to leave it here in the kitchen. Sometimes even when you go around the house outside, it not pick up. When you go around at the back of the house. Yeah, so I have to just make it stay here, so where we can pick up good. So girl, I'm gonna cook up some yam dumpling. I have a piece of pumpkin in the fridge. I'm gonna cook some brown stew. Bam! Bam! Put some of this in it. Yeah. Brown stew chicken with butter beans. What can go so? Yeah, nothing beats the butter bean. The butter bean works all the time. Yeah. The butter beans works all the time. So guys, hope you're having a great day. Girl, I go cook right about now. Food time, dinner time. I know some persons having their dinner already, but we Kingstonians sometimes we cook late. Yeah. So I'm gonna steam a little bit of rice and things like that. We go for the flour. So this is the flour that I'm working with. This is the flour. So that's the flour. That's the flour we're working with today, y'all. Alright. So this now, I go cook my rice. Because I'm not cook no whole heap of rice. Probably just 1 cup of rice. Because I want dumpling and yam for dinner today. Girl excited. Me I go eat yam. Yes. Phone battery dying, but you know, respect to all of the persons who join me live this afternoon. Yes. And the first person, Max, I'm gonna say Max, is saying I should say 67. I don't know why, but yeah, big up yourself. 67. Yeah, so probably that's what he calls himself. 67. So now I'm gonna make my flower. I'm gonna make my flower for going at the pot. One thing. So this is what I'm working with, the big dish pan something there. I'll mix the flour, I'm wash my hand already. The yam not hard to cook, you know, the yam soft, so now put it last in the pot. Now cook my tongue with a dumpling now. I want to wait. Some people like when you put it a corn in them flour. In them flour. Now hold it now there, little bit. So just put a bit. Then I want to hold it in there just a little bit. Yes, so that is it. Just a little. Guys, my phone battery is dying, so I'm gonna come back later on and chit chat with you guys in the 6 p.m. bells after I finish cook dinner. So big up yourself, enough respect from A&I. A&I will cook some food. I don't want the phone shut off. I go just end so that yeah. So one love guys, one love. Thanks for joining my live. See you guys later on. I'm gonna charge up the phone and then later I come back. Later guys.